Expand your English skills with real office scenarios. Arriving at the office.
Ethan swipes his ID card at the security gate. He glances at the clock. 5 minutes late. He hurries to his workstation.
Starting the workday.
He boots up his computer.
Turns on computer.
He skims through his emails.
Quickly reads.
Sarah assigns him a new task.
The morning meeting.
The manager distributes the reports. He jots down key points.
Writes.
Mark interrupts with a concern.
Lunch break.
He takes the final bite of his sandwich. He stirs his coffee while thinking.
Afternoon work.
He examines a detailed report. He drafts an important email. He flips through the company records.
Looks at. Evening break.
He stretches after long hours of work. Ethan sips his coffee and checks his phone. He chats with a colleague at the water cooler.
Authorizing a document.
He is signing a document. He is stamping a document.
Team collaboration.
He collaborates with his team on a project. He presents his idea to the team.
Wrapping up work.
He organizes his desk before leaving. He shuts down his computer.
Leaving the office.
Ethan grabs his bag. He leaves the office.